Looking for a taste of Costa Rica that embodies its culinary heritage? Arroz Campesino is your answer. This traditional dish marries local ingredients with bursts of flavors. Arroz Campesino is a beloved classic in Costa Rican cuisine. It emerged in the 1930s, adopting influences from various culinary traditions. It continues to reign as a staple dish. The recipe has evolved over the years, appreciated by locals and tourists alike. Some even add a healthy twist by using olive oil. Arroz Campesino is a testament to Costa Rica's ability to create something new from different cultures. The essence of Arroz Campesino is rooted in its ingredients. The unique blend of rice, meat, vegetables, and seasonings creates a flavorful meal. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. Selecting the right rice is important. Long-grain yellow rice, jasmine rice, or long-grain white rice are excellent choices. High-quality rice enhances the flavor and texture of the dish. The use of meat provides depth and richness. Chicken, beef, pork, fish, and seafood are traditional choices. Lean cuts of pork, ham, chorizo, and bacon are also great options. Arroz Campesino is incomplete without its colorful array of vegetables. Red and green bell peppers, onions, and garlic add color, texture, and flavor. Achiote seasoning gives it a tangy kick. To make arroz campesino, prepare your ingredients and rinse the rice. Sauté onions, garlic, and salt. Add vegetables and cooked pork. Combine rinsed rice with broth, salsa Lozano, tomato sauce, and sugar. Simmer until tender. Serve arroz campesino with refried beans, salad, and plantains. Customize the recipe by using brown rice, tofu, or adding extra veggies. Different appliances can be used for cooking. Pair arroz campesino with other Costa Rican dishes like braised meats or picadillo. Wash it down with traditional Costa Rican drinks. Finish with a Costa Rican dessert. Explore the rich world of Costa Rican cuisine with arroz campesino. Select the right ingredients, cook with different appliances, and adapt the recipe to suit your preferences. Bring a taste of Costa Rica into your kitchen.